How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to show you guys a six-pack ab workout that you can do at home. This workout, we're going to do quite a few exercises, so make sure you guys follow along. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. We'll get back to you guys with more details. Now, I know the title of the video says 1 minute. Now, you can do each of these exercises for 1 minute, but what we're going to do is we're going to do the exercise for 10 seconds. So actually, you can get abs in 10 seconds. The exercises are only going to take about 10 seconds, and then we're going to take 30-second micro breaks as well. So micro breaks, very important to do. If you're not doing them, then you're not going to see results. You need to do the workout. Now, here's the thing. When you get better at doing this, what you can do is then you can start to go longer. Instead of doing 10 seconds, do 20 seconds, then 30 seconds, 40 seconds, 50 seconds. But I assure you, if you start right now and you start off doing a minute for each exercise, you are going to be destroyed. Trust me on this. So let's get started with the first exercise. First exercise that we're going to do is we're going to do a plank. So let's get into position, you guys. Do a plank. Hold that for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Simple as that. That's our first exercise, you guys. First exercise is done. I know, super easy, very effective, very easy to do. Love doing the plank, you guys. You really feel it in your ab muscles, so make sure you guys are doing that. And again, people are going to say, well, these micro breaks are boring. I don't like them. Trust me, you will enjoy to like them. You will enjoy liking them once you start to get some real crazy numbers. Let's do our next exercise, bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches, very good to do. To do them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As simple as that, you guys. Now there's 30-second break. Now I assure you, if you follow along at home and you do these exercises with me, you will see results. It's as simple as that. You will get the results that you are looking for. If you don't, however, you don't follow along, then you're not going to get the results, you guys. So make sure you are following along at home if you want to get the best results possible. Okay, we're going to do the next exercise, you guys. This next exercise is going to be a reverse crunch. So do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we're going to take another little break, and we're going to keep on going. Now these exercises are proven exercises that will get you six-pack abs. That's why I'm showing you guys all these different exercises. What you can do with each exercise is you can do each exercise 10 times if you want to. You don't have to do all these different exercises. It just helps because it shows you a different variety. So you can do whatever exercises you want. I like to do these exercises. So we'll do flutter kicks. Flutter kicks are a little bit easier, so we'll do 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Just like that, you guys. Another little break. Trust me when I say this, you guys, this is the best way to get six-pack abs if you're trying to get them. If you've been struggling for so long, you haven't been getting the results, then simply start doing these exercises. Your diet is important too, so we'll talk a little bit about diet during the breaks too. But again, if you want to see results, do these exercises. Next exercise that we're going to do is we're going to do a side plank. Get into this position, hold for 10 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi. Done. Take a little bit of a break. So again, the breaks, very, very important. Now let's talk a little bit about diet and nutrition. So people, when they're trying to get their six-pack abs, they really skip out on the diet and the nutrition. If you want to get six-pack abs, you need to make sure that your diet is on point. So you should be tracking your calories. You should know every single day how many calories you are eating. If you don't know how many calories per day you are eating, then you will forever be stuck at the same body weight. You'll never be able to drop weight. So you need to make sure that you are tracking your calories. Very important that you track your calories, you guys. So same exercise, different side. We're gonna do the other side of the side plank. 1, 2, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi. Just like that. And you can even tell, like, I'm breathing a little bit heavy right now. These exercises, they will put a little bit of stress on you. They are a little bit tricky, but you guys can do it. Trust me, I know you guys can do this. What you can also do if you want is you can do, say, half the exercises and then make that a workout, and then the other half, you can make that a workout as well, and you can just keep flipping back between workout and workout. You don't have to do all these exercises each workout, but these are the exercises that give you the best bang for your buck, in my opinion. So the next exercise that we're going to do is we're going to do a Spider-Man crunch. Spider-Man crunches, phenomenal for getting six-pack abs. So do a Spider-Man crunch. All you guys are going to do is get into the push-up position and do this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like that. Very tough exercise to do. Really going to put a ton of pressure on your core, but that's what we want. That's what we want if we're trying to get six-pack abs, you guys. So we're almost done, you guys. Only 2 more exercises to go. If you guys have been following along at home, great job. Keep it up. You will see results doing this. But again, your diet is important. Make sure you don't have to be eating 100% healthy, but you need to be making sure that you're tracking your calories daily. You should know how many calories you are eating per day if you want to lose weight. We'll go into the next exercise. Next exercise, pretty simple. Just the basic crunch, you guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now some people may be thinking, well, you need to come all the way up. You don't have to. There's different ways of doing it. I like doing it that way because I really feel the stretch. I feel when I go all the way up with that exercise, then I'm doing more of a swinging movement and I'm not really focusing on my abs. So that's how you really focus on your abs. Back to diet, nutrition. So you don't have to be eating the most healthiest foods. You should still be eating healthy, but the key here is knowing how many calories per day you're eating. If you're eating 3,000 calories, that's good. You know the number that you're hitting. If you want to lose weight, then just slowly deduct calories and you'll start to lose weight. But if you don't know how many calories you're eating and you're just eating a random number every single day, then your weight loss is going to be random. You're probably not going to lose weight. So let's get back into it. Last exercise that we're going to do is we are going to do scissors. So not very easy to do, but get into this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. As simple as that, you guys. If you guys have followed along so far, great job. What I also recommend doing is follow this routine and do it multiple times per day and multiple times per week. So just watch the video, do it with me. Have the video playing in the background, follow what I'm doing, and that is the best way to see results. That's what I do with a lot of my exercises. I will click on YouTubers, click on their workout, and I'll have it playing in the background as I do it for myself. So that's what I recommend. end of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.